Hi, my name is Kunal Raj. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate database system lab exercise number 6. The title of the experiment is functions and procedure. So the first question is to create a stored procedure that displays the name and customer ID of the customer whose booking ID is passed as a parameter. So I'll create or replace a procedure. All procedure starts with this syntax: create or replace procedure. Then inside I'll write the argument. So this is the argument where I'm passing some details. So I'll write in, so num in number. Then after this I'll declare variable whichever I need. So customer ID 1 of number 5 data type, and login name 1 of varchar2 20 data type. Then begin. Then I'll write my SQL query. Select cust ID login name into cust ID 1 login name 1 from customer details where cust ID, and then I'll write some query. Select cust ID from car booking where booking number, which is the past number here, I'll write. So I'll just print customer ID and login name. So when I execute the procedure, I'll pass our booking number, and whenever I pass the booking number, the customer ID and the customer name will be printed. Next question is to create a stored procedure that receives the car ID and raising price as parameter. It then raises the price, so we have to increase the price, and then it will show in the car table the raised price. So here I will just write the procedure as create or replace procedure. Then I'll pass two numbers, ID and price. Then here I'll declare two variables, car ID and price, base price per details. Then begin. Then I'll write update price details set base price per day. Then whatever price that I have passed, we have to increase with base price per day where car ID equal to past ID. Then here I will execute the procedure 101, and then I will increase the price. So whichever price I gave with the car ID, so 101 is our luxury car, and then we have our price. So 101, the car ID with 101, and then base price per day is increased by 2000 by 100, as you can see from these two tables. Now the next question is to create a stored procedure which takes booking date and cust ID as input. Then the procedure should display the number of days the car date has been booked. So here create or replace procedure pro. Then I'll pass two details, that is booking date and cust ID. Then I'll begin. Then I'll write the customer. I'll write the SQL as select count. Then number of days that is booked by return date minus booking date. Then into num, which will be print here. Then we have car booking where cust ID is equal to past, that is cust ID, and booking date is equal to booking date. So we'll be passing customer ID and booking date, and then how much days the car is booked will be printed here. So the next question is create a procedure that deletes the car record whose car ID number is passed to it. So I will write create or replace procedure, then number car ID, then delete from car details where car ID equal to car ID. So whichever car ID is passed, it will just delete that record. Then raise application error function here, and the value it will print a message called car ID is missing. So now the next question is write a function to display price of a booking when given booking number. So inside a function we'll be passing a booking number, and the price of booking will be displayed. So here I'll create this time a function. So create or replace function fun5 booking number, which will pass, which is the argument. Then I'll give a return type to the function. So the return type is number, and then I'll declare a variable called price of number 3. Then I'll write my SQL query, select base price per day into price from price details where car ID equal to, then from this table I'll get the car ID. So select car ID from car booking where booking number equal to booking. Then it will return the price to the main function, and whenever we call the function, it will just print the price of the details that we are passing into the car ID. So the final price will be printed. Next question is create a function which count the total number of cars having price more than 500. So I have a function here fun5 a booking number. So I'll since it's a function, I'll give a return type of the function, that is number price, and then I'll declare a variable called price number. Then write my SQL query as select count star into price from car details where car ID, and select car ID from price details where base price per day is greater than 500. So whichever car having greater than 500 the base price per day, it will return the price of that. So I'll just begin. So then dbms using this line, I will call the function and then pass the argument as 5. So whichever is having this 500 base price, it will booking number, then it will print it. Now the next question is create a function which display the car details when color is given as input. So for that I will write a function called fun5. Here I'll pass the color as argument, then I will describe the return type as card details, and then I will declare a function. I will declare a variable called price of type card details. Then I'll write my SQL query as select star into price details from card details where color equal to given color. So thank you for watching.